today we are in a very interesting inflection point. For the first time, humans and AI communicate in the language of the humans. And this is very interesting because when you type a question, the machine or the AI responds back in the human language. And this has never happened ever in the history of mankind, right? You call this as an era of creative AI, an AI which unlocks radical abundance. So the question is, how do you design responsible systems? And to do this, we believe there are three important things which have to be accomplished. One is designing systems for trust. So when you design AI for trust, it means you design these AIs to be accountable, responsible, traceable, and minimal in their hallucination. Second, how do you design systems where the AI is an assistant to the humans and not the other way around? And when we say this, the intention is that the decision of how to use this knowledge generated out of the AI is with the humans. And humans have the agency and choice to use this in the forms and ways they believe is relevant to their context. And third, how do you design such systems which incorporate the values and the principles in which the organization and the mission is built upon?